Guys, I see a glitch. If you're a beginner, you need to have this. A pineapple. And use a sprinkle method. And look how much is this without any mutation. 45,000. Bro. That's so insane. No way, super. That's so insane. Ultra insane. Super insane. I just got scammed too from my baby, but I don't really care. At least I hate them. I need a blood hedgehog. I need it for more bigger pretty. You need to you need to do there's a glitch that a method you need a sprinkle method and a lot of hedgehog. I'm trying to get a blood hedgehog to trading someone but no one wants it. I think I'm so